Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to perform lab number 3 of DSP, in which we are calling a function जिसे हमने impulse sequence के नाम से सेव किया है और हमारे पास जो फंक्शन डिफाइन है यहाँ पे x of n और इसकी impulse sequence है n naught n1 and n2 और इसकी हमारे पास जो एग्जाम्पल है वो है ये x of n जो हमने सीक्वेंस डिफाइन की थी वो हमारे पास 0 -5 और 5 है जो कि हमारे पास पीछे डिफाइन थी n of 0 n of 1 एंड n of 2 के और उसके बाद हमने सब प्लॉट के फंक्शन को यूज़ किया है। इसमें एक सब प्लॉट में हम लोगों को एक प्लॉट का फंक्शन और एक स्टेम का फंक्शन यूज़ किया जो कि हम लोगों को टू फिगर्स को डिस्प्ले करवाएगा विद इन वन फ्रेम।
The output is shown here, which shows that -5 to 5 are the limits of the graph and 0 is the index. Now let's move to another task. It is a step sequence function with n0 index and n1 and n2 limits, and we have defined the limits -0 to 5, and we have used the plot and stem function in which x's are defined from -1 to 1.5, and this is the output given in the where we have -5 to 1.5 limits x on x-axis and y-axis, and we have used the subplot function for the plot.
This is our function for even and odd, in which we have defined x of e, x of o for even and odd parts. And our main calculation starts from here, in which we have even and odd parts. X of e is equals to 0.5 into x plus flipper x, and x of odd into 0.5 x minus flipper x into x. This is for even and odd parts, in which we have a plot for the original signal, even part and odd part, and plot for the even and odd part. Now let's run this task and see the output.
This is our output of the signal, in which we have shown original signal, even part of the signal, and odd part of the signal. Now move to our next task, which is the continuous time signal. Here we have given a time, frequency and continuous signal, which shows time is from 0 to 0 from 0 to 2, and 0.5 is the time period in t, and frequency is a 1 hertz. And C shows the continuous signal, which is cos f into 2 plus pi to t. And here we have a continuous time signal, which we have used subplot, plot and time and sampling frequency of 50 hertz and sampling period of 1 into sampling frequency divided by sampling frequency and a discrete signal. For this we have used a for loop, in which we have an if loop and within a for loop. Now let's run the task. So this is the output for our task, which is a continuous time signal and a discrete time signal. Now here we end our lab. So Allah Hafiz from me.